Okay, I'm back on my fourth day of my curly girl method, and I had some issues. I had some issues with my swab. Um, the first morning after the first day, it was kind of dry, so I tried sleeping with it on my hair with a plastic cap and um, a bonnet, and I thought maybe the next day it would be better. It was so, and I put some olive oil, not olive oil, coconut oil on it, and the next day it was still dry. So I went to the store and I got Burt Bees, um, very voluming conditioner, and I looked up all the ingredients, so it seemed to be right. I think this is a newer product. It was $7.97. But you know what? I just used a little tiny, well, not a little tiny bit, but it's concentrated. So actually, I think I used a lot of this, not that much of this. I was going to try to buy the Tresemme Naturals, and I was looking at the ingredients, and I had a problem with one of the ingredients, because I know that they say no cones, and maybe I need to get the book, but at the last line, second to the last line on the Tresemme Naturals, they have alcohol, just plain, just alcohol. It has nothing in front of it, nothing in back of it. It just says alcohol. And as I can remember, alcohol is supposed to be drying to the hair. I don't know, but alcohol. So I didn't get it. I was going to get it, but because of that, I didn't. And so everyone's using that for the curly girl method, but are they getting a different Tresemme that I've seen? Because it had alcohol in it. So, and then I was looking at the ingredients on here, and there were some things that was questionable too, but I don't know. So that's why I went over to the natural section where they had um, yes to carrots and this one. So, and this is concentrated, so even though it's a small bottle, you really don't use a lot of it. So yeah, I wanted to add that. And you see how I have curls? And another thing, I'm not trying to complain, but maybe my eyes are sensitive, but when I first put this on, my eyes are burning until, I mean, it's like the air or something, it's like stinging my eyes until it dries. And that's happened with a couple of conditioners that I've left in my hair. It feels like my eyes are burning. That might just be me, but with this, that didn't happen. So I like this, and I'm going to refresh it with water tomorrow instead of putting more of this in there, because I don't know, look at the curls, it came out pretty good. And I guess it's more poofy because it has volume. And then another thing, I didn't accidentally buy this, but I bought Yes to Carrots, and it's kind of orange. And I don't know why I got the carrots when they had the cucumbers right next to it. But I guess since I like carrots more than cucumbers, I got carrots, not thinking about the color, because the cucumber one was white, no color. So I don't know if I'm going to use this. I might use it on my grandkids, but I might take a chance. So I seen someone using this, and I'm going to try maybe putting some oil. Smells good. Put some oil in this, maybe more coconut oil, because I put that on my hair and I got all the crunchiness out, and I don't know. Maybe today it just doesn't feel as dry, but I'll see in the morning. So, yeah, so this is my fourth day and it's looking curlier. I'm really liking the curls. See? And then I should turn around. Alright. And I think this voluming really, it made it kind of up some. So I guess that's what it's supposed to do. And it has plummogram in it. Okay. I will talk to you later, YouTube.